Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Douyin account, which is also known as Chinese TikTok, on both iPhone and Android devices. So step 1, download the Douyin app from the official source. So for iPhone, switch your Apple ID region to China and download from the App Store. For Android, download from douyin.com or a trusted APK site. Step 2. Open the app and tap the profile icon at the bottom right of your phone. Step 3. Tap the big orange button to start the registration. Step 4. Enter your Chinese mobile number. If you don't have one, use a temporary China number via online SMS services or virtual numbers. Take note that these virtual numbers may be unreliable. Step 5. Enter the SMS code that will be sent to the number. Step 6. Set up your username and profile. And you can now start browsing and uploading videos. Take note also that app is in Mandarin, so you might need to use Google Translate to navigate the menus. VPN may also be required in some countries. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.